ApexIntent helps you understand how your brand is seen across AI search platforms, and more importantly, what to do to improve that visibility. Instead of focusing on rankings or keywords, it breaks your presence down into topics, prompts, and signals that AI systems actually use when generating responses. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the core sections, how to read them, and how to use them to improve your visibility step by step. Start from the top. These are the highest impact prompts where your competitors are currently being recommended instead of you. Here, you can see high-value prompts where your brand should appear, but doesn't. These are ranked based on impact, so you know exactly where visibility matters most. Start with the top prompts. These represent real discovery opportunities where competitors are currently being recommended instead of you. You're not guessing what to optimize. You're targeting exactly where you're missing. Each prompt gives you direction on what type of content or positioning is needed to compete. Forums reflect real, unfiltered conversations where people share actual experiences. That's why they're becoming increasingly important in both human decisions and AI recommendations. This section tracks your brand mentions across forums like Reddit and Quora. These platforms are increasingly used as training and reference sources by AI models. Look at both the volume and sentiment of mentions. If your brand isn't being discussed or is mentioned negatively, that directly affects your visibility in AI responses. This tells you where off-site presence needs to be built, not just backlinks, but real discussions and references. This is your topic coverage, how AI understands your authority across different areas. Strong coverage builds visibility. This is your page structure and insights, a visual breakdown of how your site is organized and understood. Each branch represents a topic cluster and how your pages connect within it. You can quickly see where your content is well structured and where gaps or weak connections exist. Start by identifying web pages that are either too shallow or disconnected. If a topic doesn't branch out properly, it signals weak authority to AI systems. From here, you can expand supporting pages or strengthen internal linking to reinforce that topic. This is your action plan, a prioritized set of fixes based on real visibility gaps. You're not guessing what to improve, you're following a clear execution path. This is your prioritized action